Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we discussed how artificial intelligence is transforming software development and why AI assisted development is becoming an essential skill for modern SAP professionals. Now, before we start building applications, let's understand one of the most important technologies in the SAP ecosystem, SAP Business Technology Platform, commonly known as SAP BTP. If you are new to SAP BTP, don't worry. By the end of this lecture, you will have a clear understanding of what SAP BTP is, why SAP created it, and why it has become the foundation for modern SAP application development. Let's begin with a simple question. What exactly is SAP BTP? Think of SAP BTP as SAP's cloud platform for building, extending, integrating, automating, and running business applications. In simple terms, SAP BTP provides all the tools, services, and infrastructure that developers need to create modern enterprise applications. Before SAP BTP existed, organizations often used multiple disconnected technologies to build applications. Developers needed separate platforms for databases, application development, integrations, analytics, and automation. Managing all these technologies was often complex and expensive. SAP recognized this challenge and created SAP BTP as a unified platform. Today, SAP BTP brings together multiple capabilities into a single platform. Many times, people gets confused and understand SAP BTP is a module, but this is an entire platform ecosystem. These capabilities include application development, database and data management, integration services, analytics, artificial intelligence, automation, security and identity management, and many more. Think of SAP BTP as a complete toolbox for enterprise application development. Whenever an organization wants to build a new application, extend SAP S4 HANA, integrate systems, create API, build workflow, or use AI capabilities, SAP BTP often becomes the preferred platform. Now, let's understand why SAP BTP is so important for developers. As SAP customers move to cloud based architectures and adopt clean core principles, organizations are increasingly building extensions outside their core ERP systems. Instead of modifying SAP S4 HANA directly, developers create side by side extensions on SAP. Let's understand it with an analogy. In this analogy, imagine a modern smart city. Imagine you are visiting a modern smart city. The city has roads connecting different locations. It has electricity supplying power to every building. There are hospitals, shopping malls, schools, banks, public transportation, internet connectivity, and security systems. Each services has different responsibilities, but together they make the city function efficiently. Now, imagine a large company. A company also needs many services to operate successfully. It needs applications, it needs databases, it needs security, it needs communication between systems, it needs automation, it needs analytics, it needs innovation. Just like a smart city provides infrastructure for its citizens, SAP BTP provides the digital infrastructure that businesses need to build and run modern enterprise applications. That is the simplest way to understand SAP BTP. Then this question comes, where does SAP S4 HANA fit? Now, inside our smart city, imagine there is one very important building. This is the company's headquarters. This headquarters manages everything important: customer information, sales orders, purchase orders, financial transaction, inventory, manufacturing. This headquarters represents SAP S4 HANA. SAP S4 HANA runs the core businesses process of an organization. It is the operational heart of the business. Now, imagine the business keeps changing. Let's suppose a company comes up with new ideas. The CEO wants a mobile application for employees. Customers want an online self-service portal. Managers want approval applications. The business wants to use artificial intelligence. Every month, new requirement arrive. Now think for a moment. Should we keep modifying the company's headquarters every time a new idea comes? Probably not, because the headquarters is responsible for running the entire business. Frequent modification increases complexity, make upgrades difficult, and introduce unnecessary risk. Instead, wouldn't it be better to leave the headquarters stable and build all the new facilities around it? That's exactly the idea behind SAP BTP. Another simple analogy. Let's take another example. Imagine your house. Your house already has everything required for daily living: a kitchen, bedrooms, bathrooms, a living rooms. Now suppose you want to add a beautiful garden or swimming pool or solar panels. Would you demolish the house and rebuild it? Of course not. You simply extend it. Your house remains unchanged while new capabilities are added around it. SAP BTP works in exactly the same way. SAP S/4HANA remains your stable business system. SAP BTP becomes the platform where you build all new innovations without disturbing the core ERP. Why did SAP introduces SAP BTP? This question, many people they are always asking. Why did SAP introduces SAP BTP? To understand this, let's look at the past. Years ago, during the SAP ECC era, many organizations directly customized their ERP systems. Every new business's requirement resulted in another custom development inside the ERP. Over time, thousands of custom programs accumulated. When it was time to upgrade the ERP, many of those customizations had to be tested, modified, or rewritten. Upgrade projects became expensive, time consuming, and risky. SAP wanted a better approach. Instead of encouraging customers to customize the ERP continuously, SAP introduced a platform where innovations could happen independently. That platform is SAP Business Technology Platform. The idea is simple: keep the ERP clean, build innovations outside the ERP, connect both whenever needed. This approach is commonly known as clean core strategy, and it is one of the key principles of modern SAP architecture. So, what exactly is SAP BTP? So, let's put everything together. SAP Business Technology Platform (BTP) is SAP's cloud platform that provides everything organizations need to build, extend, integrate, automate, and innovate their businesses applications while keeping their core ERP system clean and stable. You can think of SAP BTP as the foundation on which companies build their future solutions. Instead of modifying SAP S/4HANA every time the businesses changes, organizations use SAP BTP to develop new applications and innovations around the ERP system. This makes businesses more flexible, more scalable, and better prepared for future upgrades. So, what is the key takeaways? So, if you remember only one sentence from this lecture, remember this: SAP S/4HANA runs the businesses, while SAP BTP helps the businesses innovate without changing the core ERP system.